Good morning, children. How are you? I think you are all fine. Today, we are going to revise our chapters because for PT first in English literature, only two chapters are mentioned, the first chapter and the second chapter. So, first chapter is almost over, but in the second chapter, some important works were left that I am going to solve. So, beta, open your textbook at page number 18. Page number 18, and that textbook is your course book. The name of the chapter is Grandma's Sickle. Now, you will see given below is a list of abstract nouns. Use these nouns and fill in the blanks. So, before starting this content, we shall talk about abstract noun. Children, as you all know that abstract noun is a very essential part of noun, and you very well know that what is noun. Children, noun, it's very simple. A noun, it is very simple. A noun is just a name of a person, place, animal, thing, etc. Or in simple word you can say that a noun is a naming word. किसी भी चीज के नाम को नाउन कहते हैं या फिर संज्ञा कहते हैं. But beta, here you are talking about a special quality of noun, and that is abstract noun. So, what is abstract noun? If you will come to know what is abstract noun, then you will be easily able to fill each and every blank. So, let me tell you what is abstract noun. I think you are all getting, you are all clear. Children, what happens? Abstract noun is that noun which cannot be seen, but it can be filled. हम एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन को महसूस कर सकते हैं, देख नहीं सकते हैं, छू नहीं सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लव. योर मदर लव्स यू, माई मदर लव्स मी. कैन यू सी लव? नो. लव इज ओनली फेल्ट. I am angry with you. You can sense that sir is angry with you. So, beta, such type of nouns that cannot be seen but can be felt is called abstract noun. Can you give me some more examples? Can you give me some more examples? Okay, when the lockdown will be over and the school will be resumed, you please give me some more example. Children, here some words are given. These are all abstract nouns. But your task is that you have to place this abstract noun in their appropriate sentence. What is the task? The task is that you have to fill the abstract noun in their appropriate sentence. For that, what you have to do? You have to understand the sentence clearly, and according to that, you have to choose the option and you have to place it. So, let me say, what are the options? Wisdom, joy, pride, difficulty, fame, sadness, and all of them are abstract nouns. So, the first sentence, are you ready? The first sentence, Rajan is a hard working person. He takes great dash in his work. Try to understand the first sentence. Rajan is a hard working person. He takes great in his work. What? If someone is a hard working person, then what he will take in his work? He will take interest. Where is it? Sorry? is a hard working person. He takes dash in his work. He takes joy. It will be joy. Okay? So we'll put joy over here. The second question, my grandmother is full of dash. What will be this? My grandmother is full of dash. What will be here? It will be pride. Sania felt a lot of dash when her friend left her. But see, whenever your friend, a close friend of you left you, what you will feel? You will feel sad. So, in the same manner here, Sania felt a lot of sadness when her friend left her. I think these three sentences are clear. Now we'll go to the fourth sentence. She walked down the road with great what? She walked down the road with great difficulty. Clear? Now, grandma's dash as a good cook has spread all over the village. She is a good cook. So her fame has spread all over the village. So here it will be fame. Next, the children were filled with dash when they moved to a new city. But what happens when your father gets transferred to a new city, to a metropolitan city where you get every pleasure? Then what you will feel? You will feel what? You will feel joy. So in the similar manner here it will be joy. Clear beta? I think this abstract noun and the questions related to abstract noun are clearer to you. So if there is any doubt, you can ask me. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Once again, I am trying to read. Rajan is a hard working person. He takes joy in his work. My grandmother is full of pride. Sania felt a lot of sadness when her friend left her. She walked down the road with great difficulty. Grandma's dash as a good cook spread all over the village. Grandma's fame. The children were filled with joy when they moved to a new city. Is that clear, beta? Okay. Have a nice day. Write it down in your textbook. If you want, you can write it down in your copy also. That depends upon you. But it should be written in the textbook. Okay. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.